Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
In this last 8 years, we are expecting that, when this permanent post, it came out on the Gazette, we thought we are the ones who would, it is posts are out so that we would be in. But now the scenario is such that only out of the 27, only 3 people they have taken, because everybody knows what is the reason that they have been taken. I appeal to the people who are working under contract to come and support us today, because this contract system has to end. Because we are doing the same work what the permanent people are doing. Even the ministers are human beings, right? So they also have children at home. So if they had one of us in the group, they would be selected. It's just unfortunate that our parents are not ministers. We do not have so much of influence, nor we have so much of money to pay them. They have demanded 35 lakhs, 40 lakhs, which is just beyond our, because everyone is having, only just one person would be working. Now if you get out the list of the people who have been selected, they are either contractors' children or they would be some minister's relative.
What's the point of education, no? पैसे दिवून जर कामां आता जाल्यार कॉलेजीन आनी स्कुलांनी कित्याक वचपाक जाय? गरज
ज्या सॅलरीचेर आमी जॉईन जाल्ले आमकां तिचा 1 रुपयापासून आमकां सिंगल काय वाडलेलें ना तेतून काय बेनिफिट्स ना काय ना
ऑफिसरांक एक हांव शिटकावणी दिता आज जे पॉलिटेक्नीक कॉलेजींतले प्रोफेसर इंजिनियरींग कॉलेजींतले प्रोफेसर PWDचे ऑफिशियल्स जे हातून इनवॉल्ड आसा हांची सगळ्यांची नांवां आमी गव्हर्नराक आज सांगिल्लीं आसा आनी गव्हर्नर एश्युअर्ड दॅट ही वील इंटरवीन इन द मॅटर. एक हातून आमी ताका सांगलां की ऑलरेडी जेन्ना पोस्टार आशिल्ले भुरगे अशें आसतना भायर काडप भायल्या भायर पोस्ट घेवप बाकीचे डिपार्टमेंट रेगुलरायज जाले सो सगळे डिटेल ताच्या मुखार दवरला. आमचो प्रेसिडेंट जो आहा हो फुडले 1 दिसा भितर वी वील रायट टू प्रायम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस ऑल्सो बिकॉज प्रायम मिनिस्टर इज कमिंग ऑन 19. ही शूड नो वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन द स्टेट.